the thief on the cross. And Jesus said unto him, Verily I say unto thee, today shalt thou be with me in paradise. The comma is put in the wrong place, changing the whole meaning of the verse. If the thief went to heaven that very day, then he went to heaven before Jesus. Remember, Christ spent 3 days and 3 nights in the earth. So much for the preeminence of Colossians 1:18 if the thief went to heaven before Jesus, huh? Now I ask you, where's your definition of paradise? If it is the third heaven, Jesus didn't go to that heaven until 40 days after his resurrection. Jesus said the thief would be with me in paradise. So he was not with Jesus if he went to the third heaven, since Jesus wasn't there. If your definition of paradise is a supposed comfort side of hell, aka Abraham's bosom, that is wrong as well. Having a comfort side of hell makes as much sense as having a torture side of heaven. Either the Bible is consistent with what it teaches or it isn't. One cannot take a set of scriptures to knock another set of scriptures and do away a set of other scriptures.